this episode, I get to test ride Los Angeles Harley-Davidson's custom creation, Orange Crush. This 2020 Street Glide Special is extra special and was upgraded to a 117. And since Donny designed it, I'll let him tell you the rest.
This is a 2020 Street Glide in Performance Orange, and this is one of our LAHD customs that was one of my designs. LED turn signals highlight in white with a white LED. And when you turn the turn signal on, they actually change colors to yellow.
Nice.
Daymaker headlight. The wind splitter windshield. This is a CVO windshield. This is a 7.5 inch. And it definitely makes the wind go right over the top of your head. It eliminates a lot of the buffering that you get. We actually did the black painted insert for here just for the aesthetic look. We did the 12-inch Twin Peaks bars. These are made by LA Choppers. These grips, they're hard rubber, but what they actually do is they create like a pressure point, so you get less fatigue while riding. And then we did the mirrors. These mirrors look great. They're low profile. It kind of goes with the whole bike and the way it fits. Got the SVC Saddlemen seat on this one.
That's a sick ass seat.
And then we also did a Stage 4 117 kit with a Sidewinder 21 exhaust, which is California legal. Take it for a ride and everybody what you think.
I'm going to be test riding this Street Glide. Love the color on it. This one has a 117 on it, which I've never ridden before. They decked it out real nice. Has like a nice East Coast flair to it, the way they styled it. Let me adjust these mirrors. This is the biggest bike I've ever ridden, man. Yeah. No U-turns. Oh.
It's in the middle. Turn it to the right.
I'm a noob. This is like a car, man.
Yeah.
Holy. Oh man, that throttle is really smooth. Oh dude, you can already tell. Look at these floorboards, man. Whoa. These floorboards are nice. Okay, it's a little heavier bike. This bike is over 800 pounds, man. Not used to these floorboards. And this thing. Whew. Okay, calm down. First impressions, like even though it's a big bike, like I'm flat-footed. Got some sick-ass colors. Man, I feel ridiculous on this bike. All right, here we go. Let's test it out. Oh my God. It's so smooth. This thing is like butter. Let me tell you, the throttle on here is pretty crazy. Okay, first impressions, really smooth, really easy to ride. I'm like very surprised. Look at that. This thing just glides. This bike moves like my Lowrider S. Like for how huge this bike is, it's got some nice, very smooth torque when you roll on that throttle. Brakes are good, just got to get used to it. And being it's a heavier bike, taking a little longer to stop than my Lowrider. Look at that. Standing on it, very easy. Oh yeah, this is nice. And I can see why people like to get these touring bikes. Getting aftermarket handlebars on a bike like this helps out a lot. That center of gravity, got to raise those bars up.
How did it feel?
Dude, it's like so smooth, man. It feels smoother than my Lowrider. I guess the way they have it set up and dialed in, like the throttle's super smooth. Nice. Not that song. Man, this thing is torquey, dude. This will kick you back. These bars, man. This bike is set up for the open road. Time to boogie. You never really know what a motorcycle is going to be like until you take it on the highway. Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm very comfortable, loving the ergos of this right now. Good wind protection for sure. I feel like I'm just floating. That's like the best way to describe this bike is, I mean, I see why they call this the street glide and the road glide, because you literally feel like you're just gliding on the road. I'm like smiling the whole time at how ridiculous this motorcycle is. But this thing pulls as hard as my lowrider, if not harder. This is what riding is all about. Just going out, having fun, you know. You don't really got to be going anywhere. Just riding, enjoying the views. Oh, yes. You're gliding. This thing is like very sensitive. What I'm most surprised about is how easy this bike is to handle. Dude, I don't want to get off. Sorry, Donny, but we're going to Vegas. Ooh, that U2. This is my jam. I'm probably the only dude bumping U2 on a Harley. Comes with stock. Oh shit. Here we go with the U-turn. Not too bad, not too bad. Ooh, we made it! I didn't drop the bike. Yeah. Ah, this is cool. Yeah. Let's see those brakes. Let's see those brakes. Yeah, brakes are nice. Alright guys, back on the freeway where this bike excels. Oh man, I gotta take this thing on more twisties. I wanna see what these turns feel like. I'll catch it with Vic.
What I really enjoyed about this build were all of the functional upgrades, starting with the Stage 4 117 kit with the 2-in-1 Sidewinder exhaust. The Orange Crush definitely had enough get up and go to satisfy any torque enthusiast. My next favorite mod had to be the San Diego Customs Saddlemen seat. It kept you locked in with the perfect shape and grippy material. The 12-inch twin peak bars by LA Choppers were spot on, and combined with the Dominion grips, I could definitely ride this setup anywhere. I love that the aesthetics of the Orange Crush was not overdone, and most of the mods served a functional purpose. Big shout out to Los Angeles Harley-Davidson for letting me take this custom creation out on a spin. I will link up all of the mods for this street glide in the description of this video. Looking forward to more rides like this, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thank you for watching, and until next time, ride safe. Peace.
Some good stuff. Let's check out these bags. So these just open like that. Plenty of space. Check that out. You know, you don't got to get bags. So this bike comes decked out, guys. Something to consider depending on the type of riding you're doing.